Hello everybody, I'm Ryan Radosevich here at SW North America headquarters, and I'm joined with the newest addition to our sales team. Chuck, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Thanks, Ryan. My name's Chuck Duckworth, based out of the Midwest in the lovely state of Wisconsin.
What states will you be taking over for us?
I'll be taking over Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri.
And I heard you got a background in CNC machining.
I do. Over 20 years experience in the machine tool world. I was lucky enough to start my career as a service tech.
Well, we're glad to have you on board here at SW. We've been growing a lot, that's why we need you. And speaking of growing, we got our biggest machine to date behind us, the Space 3. Other than this guy, what interested you in joining us here at SW?
Well, that exactly. What drew me to SW is obviously the quality of the machines and automation, but also the mindset as well. So the company has a strong engineering support system. There's a lot of consistency, and they always back the products that leave the door.
Well, thank you for joining me here for this quick minute. Chuck Duckworth, he'll be contacting you shortly.